everybody. Today I'm going to be cooking sausage tortellini soup. And so let's go ahead and get started. You need mild Italian sausage, and you need to take it out of its casing. You need about a pound. Go ahead and break it up, fry it up, drain it if you need to. Mine had a minimal amount of fat. I just left it. Alright, the next thing is you need 3 large carrots, peeled and diced. You need a rib of celery, and 1 onion diced. Alright, so just go ahead and cook those until they are softened. So that's what we're going to do, and I'll get right back with you when this is softened up.
Let's go outside, the snow is falling down and every child is having so much fun. The snowman is twice the size as me, with a smile as quirky as mine. We're holding hands to keep each other warm while we stand and watch a choir performing all the Christmas songs that we love. Yeah, all the Christmas songs that we love. And in a while we're gonna go inside and drink our chocolate by the fire. 'Cause all I want is to spend this day with you. Let me give you a Christmas, a moment we'll fill with love and joy. So beautiful, kissing on a mistletoe, baby, with you. I don't need any presents, as long as I spend this day with you. So beautiful, kissing on a mistletoe, baby, with you. Ooh. I'm making plans of what we're gonna do. I feel so blessed that I can be with you, 'cause God knows that I've been longing for you. I just wanna hold you close. You know the stars are shining just for you. Let's take a walk, and we can follow the moonlight till we reach a place we can stay. Maybe kiss a bit and dream away. And in a while we're gonna go inside and drink our chocolate by the fire. 'Cause all I want is to spend this day with you. Let me give you a Christmas, a moment we'll fill with love and joy. So beautiful, kissing on a mistletoe, baby, with you. I don't need any presents, as long as I spend this day with you. So beautiful, kissing on a mistletoe, baby, with you. Ooh. And in a while we're gonna go inside and drink our chocolate by the fire. 'Cause all I want is to spend this day with you.
Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and add the seasoning. 1.5 teaspoons of Italian seasoning. And 1
So beautiful, kissing on a mistletoe, baby, with you. Whoa, oh, oh. I've been working so much lately, I can barely find the time to sleep. Yeah, I spend my time running around, keeping people pleased. But this is my favorite holiday. It's a chance to start over new. 'Cause I missed you, so I'm letting go of everything but you. These are the good times with you. Baby, this year it's just gonna be you and me.
So the next thing we need to add is 3 cups of chicken broth or stock. My regular viewers know that I always make mine up with bouillon cubes. So that's 3 cups of bouillon. I'm sorry, 3 cups of broth. Then you're supposed to add 28 ounces of diced tomatoes and a cup of tomato sauce. And then you continuously simmer this until it's about done, and then at the end we're going to add the tortellini. Give that a stir. We'll be singing all the melodies until the sun comes up. And I'm going to add a bay leaf in this to get a little bit more flavor. And I'm just going to let it simmer. Okay, so the soup is done. The recipe calls for a fresh tortellini. I'm assuming that means shelf stable, one that you get just, with the dry macaronis and pastas and stuff. The one I have was frozen, and it is a 3 cheese or a cheese tortellini. So what I did was I took the frozen and I went ahead and just cooked it a little bit, kind of de-thawed it, and so now I'm going to just add it to the soup that's already forming. I have removed my bay leaves. I'm only going to put about half this in. Okay. This only needs to heat. It doesn't need to cook. So everything's already cooked. We're just heating it through. And that's it. It was real simple to throw together. And I'm sure y'all are going to love it. Alright, I'll see y'all next time. Christmas memories. I've been longing to hold you close. Forget about everyone else. Isn't this how it's supposed to be? Making our Christmas memories.